na Mima or repeat jutangera ka na, up to 30,000 pesos yan, te. Ang pwede mong machorva kay Honey Loan. What's in it for you, mga Mima? Bakit si Honey Loan? Kasi nga daw, ang processing niya is just 5 minutes, mabilisan. We work 24 hours a day without weekends. 24/7 siyang bukas, sabi ko kasi. And the money is credited instantly to the bank and payment system of your choice. So, wala siyang sinasantong araw kung kailan yung i-credit or i-disburse. As long as approve ka na, kahit weekend, kahit linggo, i-disburse niya yan. Credit history doesn't matter. Ganon, hindi nagmamatter. We have full confidence in our clients and always try to meet their needs even if they have no credit history. Ay, napaka-ano niya. Considerable ni Honey Loan, ha? Antaray. Siyempre, quick and simple siya. You only need your ID to apply for a loan from Honey.